driving for like speed, but there's also driving for like pleasure, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Literally. I think pleasure driving is probably the most fun driving. If you want. Shake, brother, you're gone. They're braking too late. They're, oh my goodness. This is a weapon. And then it acts like it doesn't do that.
Right.
And then I guess with the valves closed, you pass a cop, they're just like, what a good guy.
Right, literally.
Good guy. They've got some wheels on it, got it looking fast, he's chilling.
So the Camry or the Toyota behind us was up to all kinds of nonsense, you know what I'm saying? They cannot follow. Like, what do you, don't get in a rage. If you have 900 horsepower, use it. Get away from whatever bullshit is happening. And this is the 5th revision. He was like, yeah, don't put it in rear wheel drive. You know what I'm saying? This is driving for pleasure, you know what I mean? It's like, okay, judge the distance and do it. But enjoy the exhaust and the RPMs.
I love it, bro. I'm gonna get back and I'll be obsessed with it.
Sounds great, bro. This is playing an instrument now, like not just, you know what I mean?
When you downshift, it literally sounds like you're going through a it's like, it's just so much fun.
This is 4th gear, like. Insane car, bro. Like literally, Audi wants to have some fun. I don't want to drive with people, bro. I'm just gonna drive really away from you. I don't wanna go anymore, bro. I'm off this ride, bro.
Start swimming and give me some bucks or so.
Stop. It's too much.
Yeah, well, he's gone now. Oh, it's an S3. Okay.
It might be my friend Peter, bro. No way. It might be. Peter. He might be my friend Peter. I don't know. That'd be crazy, yeah. Then I don't mind as much, but still, I don't want him to get into some bullshit, you know what I mean?
Yeah. That S3 is not Miss G anytime before.
Back to the enjoying. That was fat, that was wet, that might be a little flame, you know what I mean? Rich with fuel, you know what I'm saying? Yo, I don't like you, bro. Yo, bro, get the fuck from around here, bro. In that sense, that's a random ass fucking dude, bro. Like, I'm just trying to be like, yo.
Like, literally let me drive, bro.
Bro, let me live, bro. I'm trying to play this instrument, bro.
Your brakes are your brakes are not my brakes, brother. We do not look the same way.
This sunshine is brutal, bro. This is like some hard sunshine. You feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying?
It's nice outside, but like, even with the clouds in the sky, it's just chaos.
Student driver going crazy with the stickers. They ain't going crazy driving. 2 stickers.
Student driver.
Too much autism, bro.
I'm telling you, yep, student driver on both sides.
Student driver-tism, bro. Yeah, on left and right, just go straight, bro. I ain't going straight and forward and back. Let me know if you're cold, bro. I got this shit blasting, bro.
We've been in the sun all day, look.
2. There was a little throttle at the end. Maybe that's what gave it the second one, because normally it's just 1. You know, enjoying the car, yeah, with a little bit of throttle. Now I'm learning to play the instrument a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it's like
it's warmed up now.
much, yeah.
Nothing. That fucking grips and catches boost, and it's literally on top of it.
Right.
That was a good one.
Yo! I'm still waiting for my Ferrari 812, guys. Down shit. Come on. This is great, but next time, keep going. I'm gonna keep going, you know what I mean? As much as you guys are enjoying this, like, when we got Ferraris in California, you know what I'm saying? Like, we're gonna be doing something. Not that we aren't doing something, but like, I wanna really show you guys how far you can take this. Woo, no burble there, just brah. Okay, okay. Tell them how you feel, burble. Yeah, that was wet, that was wet.
That was
Screaming though. I will say carbon ceramic brakes are just like truly insane when you think about them, their capabilities.
They just sound so crazy. They just sound so crazy.
Right here? Okay. Oh, word. Spawning in. Oh, little burble. For the one time. Alright, not that time.
It just plays no game. You know?
Where the super at though?
Scared.
Nah.
Scared.
What was the other car? I don't even remember the other car. That's how much I hate you, bro. Whoever joined the first time, I remember the Supra. I like that guy. Fucking S4.
It's just the tone that it keeps.
Yeah, this is very pleasing. This is not what I would call drone.
No, this isn't a drone.
It's like sonic harmony.
Like,
This is just air. Like I feel the sound of air, you know what I mean? That's gas. Oh, the Supra's behind us now.
I gotta let him know. He's like, what the fuck is going on in front of me?
Right?
Alright.
I can't tell if that car is missing a bumper or it's got some design on the back. I think it's a Mazda. It's gotta be flames, bro. My ears keep popping, bro, I swear. A lot of pressure, I feel like. The thunderstorm came through, now insane sunshine. The atmospheric conditions might be like a lot of barometric pressure. What's that?
What I said, your tires are heat up today.
They're super hot, 120.
You get tire temps on there?
Yeah. Right? It's lit. In the Supra you can do it, but it's a secret menu. You gotta press a bunch of shit in a certain combination. It's crazy.
I still have the option. That's E92 and 3.
Really?
Yeah.
Supra's behind us again.
Yeah,